What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Fantom, guys. Currently sitting at 292. We're down about 6.5 on the day. We're sitting on a market cap of 7.37 billion. 24-hour volume 725 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cash back in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, depending on the level of card that you have, as well as $25 in Crow, their native coin, just for signing up through my referral. So we came up and we hit resistance at the 0.618. We hit our buy zone and we hit our take profit at 295. So that was a nice little trade opportunity of about 12%. If you only sold 50%, a great thing to do if it continues to break out is to set a stop loss. So if it rolls over, you lock in the rest of your profits. Now, if we do come back down to 262, that is our buy zone once again. And then we have some buy zones right around 234 and down at about 193. You always want to set your buy zones for at least a 30 to 40% drop in the market, in my opinion. That's why I have buy zones all the way down to about $1.45 for Fantom. So let's hop over to the daily time frame. So technically we still could go through that ABC correction. I don't think it's that likely anymore, and I'll show you why here. But if we did ABC, maybe down to the 55, coming in at about $2.21, we do have that $2 price target at the 1.414, as we have come all the way up to the 1.618. And in many cases, you'll see a correction down to the fib levels. We have 202 and the 1.272 at 154. But I don't see us coming that deep. I don't think it's likely for us to go through that steep of a correction for Fantom. I want to show you guys Bitcoin quickly. So here on Bitcoin, we have the MACD on the daily, and we're just about to have the bullish cross. So unless we were to get rejected here, we're going to print the bullish cross on the daily. And as you can see here, we printed the bullish cross, we pumped. We printed the bullish cross right here, we pumped. So the daily MACD is a terrific indicator to know when you're going to pump when you see a bullish cross. However, guys, if we were to get rejected here and we fail to break the previous swing high, and we come all the way back down to this swing low at about 58K, that's when you can see Fantom go through that harsher correction. I don't think it's a likely scenario due to the fact that we're in a very bullish month for crypto, and we're about to print the bullish cross on the MACD here. But if it were to play out and we came back down to 58K, that's when you could see Fantom come back down to 234, our next buy zone here. And then we have that $2 price target, which lines up with the 1.414 with our Fibonacci here pulled from our swing high in May down to our swing low. But I do think it's more likely here that Bitcoin either holds the support of the previous swing high or comes down to this level here. I'll actually drop in a line for Bitcoin, which was our previous all-time high back in April here, and previous level of resistance coming in about 63.7K. If we do see correction, I think it's much more likely that we bounce off that level of support than it is for us to come all the way down to 58.9K for Bitcoin. So we'll finish off the video here with Fantom. So your levels of support here, 262, which is also your buy zone. 234, you can see the resistance in this area, and it's also a zone we previously bounced off of. And if we were to lose those two levels of support, your next buy zone's all the way down at 193, but I don't think it's likely that we would correct all the way down to that level. If we come up and we break 346, do target $4.02 as your next level of resistance, and 486 based off our Fibonacci here. And then we have our bull run target at the 2 extension at 586. I think I had a commenter yesterday who was saying that the alt season isn't even close to starting yet, and my waves are wrong. So I think he was looking at his waves being impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, and maybe like impulsive wave 3, corrective wave 4 down to the 2 here, and then impulsive wave 5 all the way up to the 2.618, which would bring Fantom up here to about $18. We did see Theta go from like $2 to basically $20 in the springtime, so you never know. But as of right now, our bull run target is up at 587, which is the 2 extension for Fantom here. And from the current price, it's only a gain of about 100%. So I do think we may see that blow off top, taking us up to the 2.272 for Fantom, which is coming in at about 985, because the bulls are very, very strong for Fantom. However, if we do go through a steeper correction, then that's when we could see that bull run target bringing us up to about $5.97, right around that area. All right, guys, that's it for Fantom. Quick shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.